Okay, hello, this is Mark Rollins here with the Geek Church, and today we've got another exciting product to review. In fact, I didn't think I would be back to Turtle Beach very soon. In fact, it was like a month ago I reviewed one of their products. Now I got another one that was sort of unexpected. I didn't even expect this. Here it is. It's the Stealth 700 Gen 2. I believe last time I reviewed the Stealth 600, and I made sure to double check because honestly these products sounded alike. But this 700 product is very different and very advanced. So I'm going to do a little unboxing of it here. Once we get this thing open. And shoosh and shoosh. Now, take a look at the headphones themselves. As you can see, they're very big and quite, I don't know what, oh, I didn't even know they could turn like this. How nice. Quite meaty. These ear pads or whatever, ear cushions, I'm told they're filled with cooling gel. And so when you put them on your face here, or you put them on your head, not bad. I might not be able to hear anything, which might affect the volume of my voice. However, I will say this. This thing is a lot more comfortable and a lot less burdensome than I thought it would be. When you look at a lot of these headphones, they tend to be very heavy on your head sometimes, and after a while, and since these are designed specifically for gaming in mind, having these on your head for a while could really sap your strength. However, not so with these. These things are actually quite lightweight, and these Julian caps, or these gel in these ear cushions, provide a lot of comfort. So as far as other features goes, this thing is designed with the PlayStation in mind, at least this model I have. I'm told that this will work with the PlayStation 5, and if you guys are excited about that coming out as I am, then maybe you might want to get yourself a pair. And in addition to this, they also got some serious Bluetooth action. And oh yeah, I forgot to say what it comes with. Here's the instructions. Charging cable, of course, and I believe we have some kind of adapter. Yes, it's a USB-C to A adapter. Actually, oh shoot, this is a Bluetooth dongle, isn't it? Oh yes, it is. I'm told this will work with a Switch as well, but you've got to be able to use that particular thing on the Switch. And so it all comes down to comfort. And best part is it has a lot of these controls right on the thing. So if you want to control the volume, other things like that, there's a Bluetooth button, as this works with the mobile phone. By the way, I'm told you can take phone calls and do your gaming at the same time. That's pretty interesting. I'm not sure if these things are ever designed to do that. That's the first time I've heard of one actually saying, or at least boasting, that it has that feature. And while we're on the subject of features, I might as well bring up the, let's see, where's that flip down microphone? Ah, here it is. I almost didn't know this was there. It actually blends in, as you can see, very well. I didn't even see it. But this is one of those automatic mute microphones. So say, like, for example, you're playing your game. Oh. Then you can start talking to everybody, provided you can hear them. Because honestly, these things keep sound out very well, which is actually what you want them to do. Anyway, so this is the Turtle Beach Stealth 700. This guy is available now, and he's about $149.99, and he's a pretty good deal, I'd say. So get yourself a pair of this if you're looking forward to the PS5, or maybe you just want to keep your PS4 and just mac out with one of these. And you can click on the below to see the article we've written, and that's all for now.